everyone, my name is SUPRIYA. I have completed my basic, intermediate and I am doing the practice of the advanced batch because I love to learn more, and I am the student of the Rioel education. I am very glad to tell you about my opinion. In the Rioel education, there is a platform where we can communicate with the different people, because if we communicate with the different people, we get new ideas, vocabularies and new more quotations which will help in our life. And in the institute, there are many teachers who can help you for facing the cameras, and if you have any fear, so teacher will help you to remove your fear. Like I had the fear of stage, so my teacher motivated me and they always say that practice makes a man perfect, and now I don't have any fear of stage and I am very confident. One of the best thing I like about the Rioel education, it is that it gives a platform where we can express our hidden talent, and many of the occasions are held here like quiz competition and extracurricular activity. So without wasting any time, as a friend I am guiding you. If you want to enhance your knowledge, so you should come to the Rioel education for the spoken skills and computer skills. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.